Hi guys, Alan DeVries here with the Hoof and Vine Real Estate Group here in Southern Oregon. Today we are at 20541 Williams Highway here in Williams, Oregon. This property is pretty amazing and I'm going to show you as much as I can today. 82 acres, 28 acres of irrigation, got some creek frontage here, some mountainous terrain, 3 separate residences, and a whole bunch of RR5 zoned property for us to subdivide if that's something in the cards for you. So join us today. We're going to cruise around on a side-by-side and walk half the property, and let's go take a look. So about 2 years ago, the seller planted a couple hundred apple trees on the irrigated ground out here. They haven't started producing yet, but you know, in another year or two, a lot of fruit. And the cool thing about where this property is located in Williams, and you're a few blocks from downtown. Again, 80 acres right in town of Williams, Oregon. So things like a fruit stand or a small store out here or something on the property that allows you to tap into that monetary or that commercial aspect of this property. Be pretty amazing for this next buyers. This Williams Highway property is pretty amazing. 28 acres of irrigation, 3-phase power down to the river, underground power down and back, underground water line main that runs through these pastures here. It's all from actually Williams Creek, year-round creek. It's more like a river, but let's go take a look at that and we'll see the point of diversion. So we're down by Williams Creek. Williams Creek is just right over our shoulder here, but this is the power setup down at the creek. It's 3-phase power, 1,500 feet of underground power and water all the way up to the front of the property, all over the irrigated ground. Part of that R5 is irrigated. But let's go take a look at Williams Creek and their point of diversion for their irrigation. So where we're at on the property now is again down by Williams Creek. I mean, there's a 9-foot deep hole right here, the swimming hole in the summertime. Amazing spot. I know the owners have done some camping out here. Man, we're sitting on a nice sandy bed here. Probably has some gold in it, but behind us is the straw that they put into the creek for irrigation. Obviously it's out now, but cool spot. This is a great summer spot to enjoy the creek and the water and the sun here in Williams Valley. So another awesome part of this property is about 40 acres of wooded hillside. It's not steep, it's very easy to walk. We're gonna take the easy route today with the side-by-side. Gonna go over a bridge that we're gonna see, which is one of the most stable bridges probably in the area. But let's go see what we can find. So the steel beamed bridge is one hefty bridge. As you can tell, the planks on here are all pressure treated, so this will be here for a long time. It's about 20 feet off the water here. And again, this is no normal creek. This is as wide as a river. This is a steelhead and salmon habitat creek. So you can do some pretty good fishing in here. Have a few other creeks flowing into the Williams Creek from where we're at. But man, I got to show you the underneath of this bridge. So again, I spoke about this bridge earlier, but what an improvement on the property. This is a private bridge on your property that spreads across, it's probably 70 feet in length, goes across the whole Williams Creek. Steel-wrapped concrete footings, and can you imagine sitting here with your 3 or 5-year-olds fishing for steelhead or trout in this creek right here? Pretty amazing spot. So one of the cool things about this terrain, tons of wildlife. You'll have some black bear, you'll have some fox, some bobcat, obviously some blacktail deer. But man, perfect spot. It opens up here and perfect spot to create a little off-grid cabin with your grandkids and just enjoy what God's created for us. So I can't tell you what a time it's been driving around this property. I mean, we spent the last several minutes driving through the oaks and the madrones and the Doug fir up on this place. It may seem like we're at the top of the world, but we're just at the top of the property. So behind us, several thousand acres of BLM. And not only can you enjoy the terrain and the wildlife on your own property, but you have secluded access to, again, several thousand acres of BLM land. Pretty hard to get to for the general public, but it's right out your back door. Again, the seller has planted a few hundred apple trees out here right next to the house and the big shop if you need to process them. But man, just think about in a couple of years how this whole orchard is going to look. It's going to finally be mature and ready for the picking. So every man's dream. I mean, this shop is pretty amazing. We've got a wood burning stove for the winter. Lots of power for all your power needs. Pretty large, nice concrete floor. Lots of lighting. Room for all your toys or all your tools. We made it to the main farmhouse. Farmhouse was built in 1947. Recently remodeled, so it's got some nice countertops, some great flooring. 2 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down. Cute little place. Let's go in and take a peek. Thanks for hanging out with us today at this gorgeous property in Williams, Oregon. If you have any questions, give me a call, Alan DeVries, 541-840-6556. See you on the next one.